All right, let's talk cryptocurrency. How can you send money online without a bank? Let's get into it.
For a long time, this was a huge digital puzzle. It was called the double spending problem.
Then in 2008, a paper proposed a pretty wild solution: Bitcoin, a new kind of electronic cash.
So, how did it solve the trust problem? Well, it was all built on three core ideas.
First up, decentralization. So instead of one bank in charge, you have thousands of computers verifying everything.
Next, the blockchain. Just think of it like a giant public receipt book that anyone can check.
And finally, cryptography. This is just super complex math that keeps every transaction secure.
Put it all together, and you get a process that's transparent, permanent, and totally secure.
But you know, this was really just the beginning. The whole idea started to evolve fast.
And a huge moment came in 2015 with Ethereum. It introduced something called smart contracts.
What's a smart contract? Think of it like a digital vending machine, an agreement that runs itself.
And this one idea, it just unlocked a whole new world of apps, from finance to digital art. But with all this crazy growth came some serious challenges. The system is far from perfect.
For example, Bitcoin can only process about 7 transactions a second. That's a huge bottleneck.
And then there's the energy debate. It really comes down to two competing validation systems.
And wow, the difference is massive. Proof-of-stake systems use way less energy.
And it's not just tech problems. We're talking wild price swings, hacks, and really confusing regulations.
So, what's the big picture here? Well, it's way more than just a new kind of money.
Right now, this technology is at a crossroads. It has incredible promise, but also some huge risks.
The final chapter isn't written yet, leaving us with that one big question for the future.